Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open CorelDRAW X8 and create a new document. Set page size, units, and DPI right away because those affect scaling and exports. You should pick RGB for digital or CMYK for print, and enable grids and snap to objects to speed alignment. Once done, import your images onto separate layers and lock backgrounds. This keeps vector work editable. Use a saved workspace with custom toolbars to access pen, shape, and pick tools quickly. Those first steps save time later. Start constructing your design by blocking in solid shapes. Use the pen or Bezier for precise paths and basic shapes for quick geometry. Make compound objects with weld, trim, and intersect so you can edit fewer elements. That simplifies fills and strokes. Make sure to adjust nodes with the Shape tool, convert to curves for fine control, then smooth or corner nodes as needed. Use Object Manager and layers to name groups, lock completed parts, and align with guidelines for consistent spacing. When your artwork is ready, export in the correct format: PDF with embedded fonts and bleeds for print, PNG at 72-300 DPI for web, or SVG for scalable graphics. Save the working. CDR and create incremental backups with clear file names. That protects against corruption. If exports look wrong, make sure color profiles match and convert text to curves before exporting. Troubleshooting tip: if CorelDRAW behaves oddly, reset the workspace or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.